Want to have a chatpata brunch but too lazy to go outside? Then try this quick 10-minute Amritsari street style chana recipe that you never knew was this easy to make. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Wasn't it simple? Trust me, the tastiest of the dishes are often very simple and uncomplicated. Just a right balance of flavors is the key for that wow factor. Now enjoy this chole masala with puris, kulchas or naan and you'll have the most satisfying day ever. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked the video and comment down below which recipe would you like me to post next. I will definitely make it for you. Till then, stay healthy, take care and keep cooking.